Hey fellas, what's up? I'm Ghosh and welcome back to another video. Today I got this Nerf Flyte SC and this came with the Amazon package. It's a little bit damaged here, but that's okay. 20 darts, Flyte SC. This cost me a lot of money. I will put a link down there. Wow. This has a 3 triggers as you can see. This one is a rev trigger and this one. I will open this up and show you. Included with the blaster is this magazine, the 10 round mag, the blaster, instructions and 20 bullets. And these batteries are needed for this blaster. These I buy it separately with my own money. Yeah, so this does not come with a blaster. This thing is giant. You cannot see in the video, but it's very heavy and giant. And this thing has a magazine, as you can see. I'm super excited. Okay guys, so now I'll give you a brief overview of the Nerf Flyte SC. This thing is absolutely huge, you can see. I saw in Coop 772's video, but it looked very small in there, but it is very large. Once you get it in hand, it's heavy, it's large, it feels good. It is an attached stock also with it. So I will just go with my overview. It does not stand like this anyway. It is a dent on here. Anyway, so starting off from the front, it does have an N-Strike tactical rail, so you can fit in whatever you want. And up front it has a sling mount over here and another tactical rail and another sling mount down here, so you can sling 2 ports are there. And then going up to, this is the battery tray. Yeah, this is a holder and it holds 4 AA batteries, and it also has a jam window, which I call it, so you can open and clear any jams out there. And of course it has a good handle. Its handle is very steady and comfortable on every hand. I have a pretty huge hand, but this thing fits very comfortable. So as you guys can see, there are, this is a rev trigger. You need to hold this to fire and makes a sound like that. And this is the magazine release. When you push the magazine release, the magazine comes out. The magazine holds 10 Nerf Alpha Strike rounds or Elite rounds. You can fit that also. I'll keep the magazine down and hit down here. It has an attached stock. This is not removable at all. It's totally attached with this one, and it is very beautiful colors, black, orange and yellow. I like the color combination. So yeah, by the way, you can open this window and then fire, so it's kind of a safety hazard there, but it's okay that much. And to load your magazine, you push the darts inside like this, hold the rev trigger and then fire once. I fired 4 rounds right now. You have to hold down the magazine like this so that it does not fall. It has a falling compartment also, like that. So yeah, that was the overview. Now I'll show you how to fire. Firing test. I'm shooting the Flyte SC on semi-auto. Let's see how it goes. Reloading time. Oh man. The Flyte SC-10 on full auto. 10 round mag. Let's see how it goes. It jammed. Oh my god. I'm now shooting the Flyte S10 on full auto. Let's see how it goes. That was quick. Wow, loved it. So that was my brief overview on the Flyte Cs-10 blaster. This is a complete powerhouse. If you are a first time buyer, you should buy this. I recommend you rather than a one shot blaster or even a non magazine blaster. You can buy this. This is cheap and it offers a 10 round mag. So a Strifey offers 6 round mags with a smaller no stock and no attachments. So yeah, this is better than a Strifey. I mean, its magazine release is a bit defective, but that much is okay. It is not much of a problem once you get used to it. That will not bother you at all. So yeah, and this is a very good blaster. I very recommend you to purchase this. And with that, I end my video. Make sure to like, subscribe my channel if you haven't, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.